Good morning, class 5. Welcome to the offline class. As we were doing chapter number 12, measures of length, we will continue with that. Okay. And in our previous class, we have completed addition, and some addition I have given you as homework. I think you have completed in the copy. Now, today we will start with subtraction. So, everyone come to page number 183 of composite maths. Page number 183 of composite maths, and we will start subtraction, that is chapter 12 and exercise 55 and question number 7. Exercise 55, question number 7. Question number 7. It is given 6 kilometer 8 hectometer from 14 kilometer. You have to divide 6 kilometer 8 hectometer from 14 kilometer, and as you know, whatever is written after from, you have to write it in the first. So 14 kilometer and hectometer. So here you will write 14, and since hectometer is not given, so you will write 0. Okay, 10, and after that subtraction by 6 and 8. So let us subtract. This is 0, that means it will be 10, isn't it? So 2 hectometer, and this side is 7. We are getting as 7, isn't it? So 7 kilometer and 2 hectometer is the answer for number 7. For number 7. If whatever portion is not given, in that portion you will write 0. Okay, if the portion is not given, you will write 0 in that portion, and since here hectometer is not given, so we are writing only 10. If decameter is there in this part, if decameter is there, in that time you will write 2 zeros. That time you will write 2 zeros. Okay, since hectometer is given, so you will write only 10. Now write question number 9. Question number 9 is again kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meter. It is told 34 kilometer 68 meter from 42 kilometer and 32 meter. So let us write this one. In place of kilometer it is given 42, in place of meter it is given 32, and here it is given 34, and here it is given 68. And as you know that in meter there are 3 digits, so 10 will be there. Now subtract it. When you will subtract, you will get here 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. That means 6, 1 here, so 9. So this is for meter, and for kilometer you are getting 7. That's all, 7 kilometer, and here you are getting 0, isn't it? So leave it, it will be zeros. So 0 you can leave writing, or you can write it. So the answer is 7 kilometer and 964 meter. 7 kilometer and 964 meters. See, we have added here 0 because we know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. There are 3 digits. Okay, that's why here it should be 3 digits. So 2 digit is already given 32. I have added 0 here. These things you have to keep it in mind, how to subtract. For addition this is not the problem, but for subtraction you have to maintain all the digits. Okay, now come to number 10. Question number 10. Kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meter. It is given 16 kilometer 7 meter, and subtraction by 10 kilometer and 9 meter. And 9 meter. So as usual you will add 0 here, and then you will subtract. You will add 0 and then you will subtract, isn't it? So 17, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, that is 8. So 1 will be here, 9, and here also 1, that is 9, and this one is 5. That means 5 kilometer and 998 meter is the answer for question number 10. 5 kilometer and 998 meter. Okay. Now you do number 11. Number 11. Number 11 is meter and centimeter. Meter, centimeter. So this question is related to meter and centimeter. So 50 and centimeter part is not given, so you will write 0 0 as 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And next one is given 46 and 85 centimeter. So subtract it, 5 and 1, 15 centimeter, and for meter you are getting 3. So 3 meter and 15 centimeter is the answer for question number 11. 3 meter 15 centimeter is the answer for question number 11. Okay. So the next question is number 12. For this I have to rub the board. Number 12. Let us do number 12. Number 12, it is again with meter and centimeter. So 23 meter and 10 centimeter you have to subtract by 14 meter and 28 centimeter. 14 meter and 28 centimeter. So here it will be centimeter. Since 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so this two is these two digits are given, so it will be like this only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 82 centimeter, and for meter 8 meter and 82 centimeter is the answer for number 12. 8 meter and 82 centimeter. When you will subtract, you will get it. 8 meter and 82 centimeter. Okay. Now after this we have word problems, and one question I have left for you to do it as homework for subtraction. Okay. Now let us do the word problems. Number 13. Vinay traveled 5 kilometers 75 meter by bicycle. He used 2 meter 35 centimeter. Vinay traveled 5 kilometers 75 meter by bicycle. He 18 kilometer 356 meter by bus and 1 kilometer 872 meter on foot. What is the total distance traveled by Vinay? Now Vinay, a boy, he has traveled first by cycle, second by bus, and third by foot. You have to find it out that how much distance he has traveled. That means you have to add. Okay. So since it is the word problem, so you have to write the statement, isn't it? So let us write. Distance traveled by bicycle. Distance traveled by bicycle. Question number 13. Distance traveled by bicycle. It is 5 kilometer and 75 meters. Next one, by bus. So distance traveled by bus is equals to 18 kilometer and 356 meter. Next one, on foot. So distance traveled on foot is equals to 1 kilometer and 872 meter. Addition, you will write, therefore the total distance traveled. Now add this one for meter. 7 and 6, 13. Carry 1. 7 2s are 14, 15, 20. Carry 2. So 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 13. Carry 1. 8, 9, 10, 15. Carry 1 and 2. That is 25 kilometer and 303 meter. 25 kilometer and 303 meter. So at the last you will write the answer that the total distance traveled by Vinay is the total distance traveled by Vinay is 25 kilometer and 303 meter. Okay, 25 kilometer and 303 meter. So this is for question number 13. Now let us do one more question. Question number 14. See question number 14. Rakesh bought 5 meters of cloth. He used 2 meter 35 centimeters for his shirt and the rest for his trousers. How much cloth did he use for the trousers? Now here the total length of the cloth is given 5 meters, and from that 5 meters 2 meter and 35 centimeter is used for shirt and the rest part or the rest portion is used for the trousers. You have to find it out how much is used for the trouser. Okay, that means